लहरों से डरकर नौका पार नहीं होती, कोशिश करने वालों की कभी हार नहीं होती। स्टूडेंट्स, आप बहुत कोशिश कर रहे हो, बहुत मेहनत कर रहे हो, मुझे पता है। बस इसी तरह मेहनत करते रहो, इसी तरह कोशिश करते रहो, एंड आई एम वेरी श्योर कि आपने जो अपने लिए सोचा है, जो गोल सेट किया है, आपको वो मिलेगा। यू जस्ट हैव टू कीप वर्किंग हार्ड एंड कीप वर्किंग इन द सेम मैनर। चलो, आज का आपका टेस्ट था ऑन इंट्रोडक्शन एंड टाइप्स ऑफ कंपनीज। 20 मिनट्स का मैंने टाइम दिया था। आई होप यू आर एबल टू सॉल्व। 15 मार्क्स का पेपर था। लेट अस डिस्कस। The first question was on distinguish between private and public company. I have written 10 points, लेकिन आपने अगर इसमें से कोई भी 5 points लिखे हैं, you can give yourself marks. Number of members, yes, private 2, public 7, minimum की बात हो रही है. Maximum number of members, private 200, public there's no limit. Minimum number of directors, private 2, public 3. Use of the word private in its name, no private word is not required in the name of the public company. It ends with the word limited. Invitation to public cannot be given by private company, can be given by public company. There is no free transferability of shares, whereas public company offers free transferability. Retirement of director not required, but public company, yes, rotation of directors is required. Quorum minimum 2 persons, privately in case of private company minimum 2 personally present, or articles if it sets a limit, whichever is higher. Public company, there are various limits, so if it falls in where 1,000 to 5,000, more than 5,000. Okay, so minimum number is prescribed there, or articles whichever is higher. Managerial remuneration, nothing is prescribed for private company, but yes, maximum 11% of net profit in case of public company. Private company can give financial assistance for purchase of its own shares, whereas public company cannot give so. तो कोई भी 5 points लिख लो, 5 marks. When a company is registered, it is clothed with legal personality. हमने कभी सोचा नहीं था ये क्वेश्चन आएगा. Yes? वी नो वॉट टू राइट, बट कभी कभार पॉइंट्स लिखने में कंफ्यूजन हो जाता है, इसीलिए तो मैं आपसे प्रैक्टिस करवा रही हूँ. नाउ व्हाट इज लीगल पर्सनैलिटी? इट इज नथिंग बट सेपरेट लीगल स्टेटस. बस आपको उसी के बारे में लिखना है. कंपनी व्हेन रजिस्टर्ड, it occupies a separate legal status in the eyes of law. It is separate from the persons who have formed it. That is nothing but clothing it with legal personality. It's like corporate veil. देखो कितने सारे points आप लिख सकते हो. When a company is registered, it is clothed with legal personality. It has the same rights and powers as a human being. So just like a person, it has a separate identity of its own. Its existence is distinct and separate from the persons who have formed it. जो words मैं underline कर रही हूँ, they are keywords. ये आपके आंसर में होने चाहिए, बाकी सेंटेंस आप अपने वर्ड्स में लिख सकते हो. It is distinct, separate. कंपनी कैन, सी इफ यू हैव नॉट रिटन इट हैज द सेम राइट्स एंड पावर्स एज अ ह्यूमन बीइंग, कोई अलग तरीके से लिखा है तो भी चलेगा. सी आई एम नॉट गिविंग यू आंसर्स की बस आपको यही लिखना है, ऐसा नहीं है. यू कैन राइट इट इन योर ओन वर्ड्स, बट दीज की वर्ड्स विल हेल्प यू टू फ्रेम द सेंटेंस. अगर आपने इससे थोड़ा ज़्यादा लिखा है, थोड़ा कम लिखा है, इट्स ओके. ज़्यादा लिखा तो बेटर है, बट ये तो आपके आंसर में आना ही चाहिए. सो आई एम नॉट गिविंग यू एंटायर आंसर, बट main points which have to be in your answer, but also manage the time. इतना ज़्यादा मत लिखना कि 2-3 पेज लिख दिए for just 5 marks and you end up missing out on few questions. ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए. Manage your time properly. इसीलिए मैंने main points दिए हैं आपको, ये तो आने ही चाहिए. So it is distinct and separate. So give half mark for each word that you have written. Company can own its own property, have a bank account, raise loan, incur liability, enter into contracts, give yourself 1 mark. So it is at law, person is separate and distinct from the members, from the subscribers. Personality is separate from those who compose it. So members can also contract with company. They can acquire rights, incur liabilities. For the debts, only creditors can sue, not the members. These are points which were mentioned in the module. तो मैंने वैसा ही लिखा है यहाँ पर, because that is the expectation of the institute कि वो points आने चाहिए. So yes, members can contract with the company. Half mark for this. They can acquire rights. They can sue. Creditors can sue the company, not the members, because members are separate. Give yourself half mark for this. कंपनी इज केपेबल ऑफ ओनिंग, एक ही पॉइंट है, अलग अलग तरीके से लिखा हुआ है. Although capital and assets are contributed by the shareholders, company becomes the owner of the capital and assets. The company shareholders, they are not private or joint owners of the company's property. Nobody owns the company. You only own shares in the company. So you are not the owner of that property. Okay. So the shareholders are not the owners. इसके लिए half mark. Company becomes the owner of the money which is contributed, half mark. It's okay if you have not written all the points. This is a learning. This is a learning session. एग्जाम के लिए अभी टाइम है. दिस इज अ लर्निंग सेशन. अभी नहीं लिखा है कोई बात नहीं, डरो मत, डोंट फील स्कैर्ड. नेक्स्ट टाइम जब ये क्वेश्चन आएगा तभी लिखोगे ना प्रॉपरली. रीअटेम्प्ट दिस क्वेश्चन इफ यू हैव नॉट गॉट इट करेक्ट. रीअटेम्प्ट इट. ऑल राइट. एक्सप्लेन कॉमन सील. अरे हमारा फेवरेट क्वेश्चन है ये. It's nothing but the official signature of the company. 2.5 marks का each है. So half mark for writing official signature. Since the company has no physical existence, ये word अगर आपने लिख दिया, half mark. The name is engraved on the common seal. Give yourself half mark. This is very important. As per the Companies Amendment Act, if affixing of common seal is not compulsory, अगर नहीं किया it must be signed by 2 directors, या फिर अगर company secretary है then 1 director and a company secretary. 1 mark for this point, very important. Limited liability, अरे superb, full marks. Company may be limited by shares, liability may be, in case the company is limited by shares, liability is limited to the amount remaining unpaid. अगर आपने लिखा है liability is limited to the extent of face value, वो भी चलेगा. In case of company limited by guarantee, it is limited to the amount guaranteed by them. Guarantee having share capital, 2 liabilities रहेंगी. One is the amount of guarantee and other is share capital. तो guarantee का amount कब मिलेगा? Winding up पे. Share capital you can call it any time during the lifetime. वो लिखा तो भी चलेगा, इससे ज़्यादा लिखा तो भी चलेगा, but 2.5 marks का क्वेश्चन है, कितना लिखोगे? So if you have written this correctly, okay, limited by shares, liability is limited here, guarantee having share capital and only guarantee not having share capital. ठीक है, तो ऐसे 2.5 marks दे दोगे. All right, so I hope guys that you enjoyed writing this paper as much as I enjoyed discussing it with you. Next task क्या होगा? Next task will be on formation of company. Extremely important for exam. फॉर्मेशन ऑफ कंपनी. बस एक ही टॉपिक दे रही हूँ आपको, कल मिलेंगे. टुमारो वी विल मीट विद फॉर्मेशन ऑफ कंपनी, सेम टाइम 7 o'clock, एंड देन 10 o'clock वी विल मीट विद द सॉल्यूशन.